In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add live chat support in Wix. Having a live chat feature on your website can significantly enhance customer engagement by providing immediate assistance and support to your site visitors. Let me guide you through the process of adding this feature step by step so you can provide your visitors with a smooth and interactive experience. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to wix.com. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll need to do so using your account credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Next, click on your site or select one if you have multiple websites by choosing the Select and Edit Site button. This will take you to the Site Management section. For the next step, look for the Apps option in the menu and click on it. This will direct you to the App Market, a place where you can find and integrate a variety of tools to enhance your website's functionality. We're specifically looking for the Wix Chat app, which will provide the live chat functionality you need. To find it, use the search bar at the top and type in Wix Chat. Once the Wix Chat app shows up in the search results, click on it to proceed. Now you'll see an option to Add to Site. Clicking this will initiate the process of integrating the chat feature with your website. Wix may need a moment to properly incorporate the app, so be patient during this step. Once the application is successfully added, we'll move on to personalize it according to your site's aesthetic and needs. To do this, navigate to the Design section of your site, using the Design Site option in your dashboard. Enter the Wix Website Editor, where you can make all necessary adjustments to your site layout and features. Within the editor, locate the Chats section on the right side of the screen. Clicking here will allow you to access the Wix Chat setup. This is where the magic happens, as you'll have options to customize the settings and appearance of your chat box. To finalize your settings, go to the Wix Chat area and choose Settings. This section provides a range of customization options such as editing your chat box's appearance, setting automated responses, and tailoring the chat flow to ensure it aligns with your brand image and communication style. Take the time to adjust these settings to best suit your business needs. The customization can include changing colors to match your branding, setting default welcome messages, and determining when the chat should be available. And there you have it. Your live chat support is now set up and ready to assist your website visitors on Wix. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in setting up an engaging and supportive feature for your site.